summer Sunday afternoon. Out here on the Jimmy. I'm cleaning carpets. Think you can see the difference? So originally I was going to replace the carpet, but I've blown the budget on this project. So we are going to be attempting to clean the carpets. Yeah, it's not perfect. You can see some staining in there still. But definitely going to be a whole lot better when we're done. So, got speakers installed. Got sound in this thing. So I thought I'd give you a once over and show you how I'm cleaning these. Starting with the dirtiest part back here. They're pretty nasty. You know, these things are utility vehicles, not luxury vehicles at the end of the day. That's how they were marketed, so they're made for work. This one's showing signs of having work. Spilled oil and all sorts of stuff. You can definitely feel it in the carpet. Much better over here. You can still see the line nowhere. We're going to go through the whole truck, give it a good once over. Got my carpet cleaner, some brushes, some multi-purpose cleaner, and then we'll probably go back and do it a good once over again when we're done. But this is kind of instrumental here. I bought a set of these off of Amazon. Get a big one, get a medium, and get a little one. I think they were about 20 bucks. Just nice soft nylon brushes. Get the ones for carpet. This particular brand's got a chart for all the different bristles, but I'm going to set you up on the tripod. I'm going to show you what we're doing. It's pretty simple. It'll just take some time. Alrighty. This is just kind of what I've been doing. You can hit it with some of the multi-purpose cleaner. I'm working in about an 18 by 18 square area, although I'm going to do a little bit wider on this one. I found this stuff when I was cleaning the carpets on the Eldorado. This is basically the same process I did with that car, however I did not have the brushes for the drill. So on that one I just used a standard nylon brush and scrubbed it by hand. But I pulled those carpets out of the car. So we're going to put her on slow speed. It doesn't really do a whole lot unless you really soak it down. I don't think I had much on there. This bottle's getting towards the bottom. I got a few more sitting on the shelf. And really like this stuff. It's a good general purpose cleaner for anything car related. So I don't know if that's really necessary, but you can take your little carpet cleaner solution per the recommendations on the bottle. This stuff foams up nice. Yeah, used to. There it is. Warm as it was a while ago. So really slings. comes the fun part. See how dirty that water is coming out. Actually hit that a few more times with the suction, get as much of that dirty water out as I can, but you can see it's not that difficult. These carpets have probably never been cleaned. This is a 1991 GMC truck, and this is the cargo area, so you can tell they've been used and abused. So that's kind of what we're going to do. I'm going to work on getting this back section done hopefully tonight. Then I've got the sidewalls, although they're not in the best of shape. I'm going to go ahead and try and clean them up a little bit anyway, and then just start working my way forward. I'm actually going to pull the driver's seat and passenger front seat out of this thing, make it a little bit easier for getting in there and cleaning. But yeah, clean her up, make her look nice. Actually, this stuff smells pretty good too. It's almost a light flowery scent, so a lot better than the old musty, nasty stump smell I used to have.